Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to meet new people and explore the world of online dating? Today I'm going to show you how to download the DoULike dating app on your smartphone. DoULike Dating is an online dating site and app to find value matches. So we're going to see how to download this app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to the internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type DoULike Dating App. You will see the DoULike Dating App appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you've found the app, you can see the install button next to the app icon if you are on an Android, or a get button if you are on an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. Tap on it to launch the app. From here, if you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account easily. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the DoULike Dating app on your phone. You can log in and you are ready to start meeting new people on this app. Happy dating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.